Hi friends, it is Miss Julie and we are here at the Charlestown Library, and I'm going to introduce some of the new books that we've gotten in just recently. This one is one of my favorites. It's called Yummy, A History of Desserts. This is the time of year for all things dessert, am I right? So come on in. This is actually a graphic novel, so lots of fun things in here, and I do believe there are even some recipes in the back. Like this page right here, this is a good recipe for blueberry pie, and there's recipes all throughout this book. Each chapter is a different dessert, so this will be a fun one. Yummy, A History of Desserts. We also have another nonfiction title called If This Then That. This is part of a coding series, but actually just teaches a basic concept of if this happens, then that happens. So really good for young readers. We have a really great picture book called Aaron Slater Illustrator. And this is about a young boy who really likes to draw, but has trouble learning how to write. So it's a really good book. I think a lot of kids struggle with that. So come on in and pick it up. We also have another book by R.J. Palacio. She was the one who wrote Wonder, and this is a backstory on one of the other characters in Wonder, Julian. So this is also a graphic novel if you enjoy that kind of thing. So that might be a good one for you. And then we've got a fun new series with a character named Dash Can Do. And this is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thursday is coming out soon, but this is a brand new series that we've got here in the library. He has all kinds of adventures in school and has to solve some real sticky situations. So come on in and check these out. Also, don't forget that we have Miss Elsie's Holiday Bookshop happening right now. So if you have a young reader in your family, or maybe a niece or a nephew, and you don't know what to get them for Christmas, a book is always a really good option. So we have some brand new titles and some gently used titles here. And there's all different sorts of reading levels, all different subjects. And this is just our way of saying thank you to the community. You can come in and select one book per reader, completely free, compliments of the Charlestown Library. And yeah, if you just need an extra gift under the tree, this is it. This is the gift you need to give. So we'd love to see you in the Charlestown Library this season, and we hope you stop by and take advantage of this awesome holiday bookshop and say hi to Miss Elsie. All right, bye.